guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Magsmilano and I'm back with a new video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 5 nude lip glosses that are perfect for women of color or dark skin or any woman with some melanin. Okay, so let's get straight into this video. So I'm just going to take off my lip gloss so we can get straight to the first. Oh, it looks so good. I don't want to take it off, but so now I have nothing on my lips and I'm going to be using the Morphe lip liner in the colour Trendsetter. Hopefully you can see. So I'm going to be using this lip liner for all of the lip glosses that I'm going to be using today. And I'm not doing this in order of favourites or anything. I'm just going to show you whichever one I pick up first. So the next one I'm going to be showing you is from the NYX Butter Gloss collection. And it's in the colour Fortune Cookie. So this is Fortune Cookie. So Fortune Cookie is a nice light pink. It's a sheer pink, so it's not too pigmented, but it's just a nice touch of colour. And obviously with a nice chocolate lip liner with it, it works perfectly well, as you can see. So that's Fortune Cookie. So the next one I'm going to be showing you is from MAC Cosmetics in the colour Spite. Now this is one of my all-time favourite glosses. Like, I can't go anywhere without Spite. Even if I have all my other faves, Spite needs to be with me, because sometimes I try my faves on and I feel like it's not hitting, but Spite never lets me down. So if you're not gonna get any lip gloss in this that I'm going to show you, get Spite, because listen, I've recommended this to so many girls and none of them have ever said that they don't like it. No one I've ever recommended this lip gloss to doesn't like it. It's just amazing. It's the perfect colour. It suits everyone's complexion. It's crazy. I don't know what they have in here, but listen, it's amazing. It's just the perfect nude. It's not too light, it's not too dark, it's just literally the perfect colour. It works with every complexion. It just looks so good on, like, you can't go wrong. It's just, this is our nude, guys. This is our staple nude. Any woman of color, this is our nude. This is our color. Like, go get you on. I don't know what the hell you're doing if you haven't got this in your collection. You can't tell me you're a lip gloss girl if you haven't got Spite in your collection. Like, no, you're lying. Bear in mind, guys, just to let you know, I love mixing my lip glosses. So I love wearing like 2 or 3 lip glosses all at once to get the perfect color for me. Like, I just love doing that. So even though I'm showing you these lip glosses individually, you don't actually have to wear it by itself. You can mix it all together and get the perfect color for you, because that's what I do. I love doing that. But you can also wear it individually, because like you can see with Spite, it looks amazing by itself, if I say so myself, but you can also mix it. So this is She. So the next one is also by MAC and it's in the colour Candy Box. So Candy Box is like a nice pigmented pink. If you want your lips to be screaming from the other side of the road, this is the gloss for you. Candy Box by MAC. Honestly, it lasts all day. It's not sticky. The formula is amazing, guys. Like, honestly, I feel like MAC does such good glosses. Don't argue with me. I feel like MAC does such good glosses. Their glosses are so pigmented. You don't need loads of layers. It lasts for ages. It's not sticky. And they have the perfect colours. Like, their formula is just so good. Honestly, Candy Box and Spite are two of my favorite all-time lip glosses. So yeah, this is how it looks. As I said, you can mix them together. Sometimes I mix Candy Box and Spite together to get the perfect color for me, but I also wear it individually as well. So this is how Candy Box looks. Let me stop talking. So the next one is from Revolution, and it's in the color Piece of Cake. I really hope you guys can see this. So it's in the color Piece of Cake from Revolution. But when you have a lip liner on, it definitely makes it a bit more easy to wear. It makes it a bit more approachable, do you know what I mean? Like when it isn't with a lip liner, it just looks a bit scary. Like I wouldn't go there. But with a lip liner, I would definitely rock this any day. So this is how it looks. It's a nice pigmented. When I say pigmented, I mean pigmented. Like guys, look. That's just one coat. Just look at that, guys. It's so pigmented and it feels so good on the lips, and it's affordable, guys. Like it's just a win-win. You're not going wrong with this, honestly. Piece of Cake by Revolution. Go and get you one right now. Guys, if you're still watching this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, because you know my lips are sore right now. All this taken on and taken off. Like I deserve a thumbs up for this, surely. So the next one's another one from MAC Cosmetics, and it's in the color Lovingly Yours. It's from the Mineralized Glass collection. So it's in the shade Lovingly Yours. What a cute name. Like I'm lovingly yours. Oh. So this is how Lovingly Yours looks like. It's definitely more on the sheer side. It has a touch of pink in there, as you can see, but it's definitely not as loud as Candy Box. This is like, you still look cute, you're going to work, you don't want to do too much, do you know what I mean? But it's still really, really cute. I still really like this. I'd wear this any day. But like I said, guys, you can mix all of these up. So for example, if you want to do Lovingly Yours with Spite, you can do that. If you want to do Spite with Candy Box, you can do that. If you want to do Candy Box with Fortune Cookie, you can do that. This is how it looks like. Like I said, I feel like MAC does amazing glosses. They do such good glosses. Argue with yourselves, don't argue with me. MAC does great glosses. So that's all the 5 nude lip glosses I have to show you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found some new glosses that you may like. If you guys have any other glosses that you think I should try or might suit me, please comment that down below and I can definitely give that a try. I love glosses. I have such a huge lip gloss collection. I love lip gloss. Like, so if there's any lip glosses that you guys want to recommend to me, please do that, because I'm due to update my collection. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.